Today I'll be working on a 2013 Mazda 3.
The truth.
I'll be putting in a K&N filter. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and pop your hood. Next thing you want to do is find your airbox and undo these clips right here, just like that. Next, you're going to want to undo this bolt right here to loosen up this hose. After you get the clamp removed, you can just scoot it back. And then what I found is if you lift this, the front end here, pull just a bit, push on the rubber tube, it comes off fairly easily. Let me just set that out of the way. Now, as you can see, my stock one is still fairly clean. There's a few leaves in it, but it's not too bad. But I am going to be changing it out with the K&N. When putting the new one in, it's pretty much just a reverse order. Place your air filter back in there. Next, we're going to put the airbox back on. When you're putting it back on, make sure you get these little tabs into these little holes right here. There's one on each side. Once the filter is back down in place, don't forget to move the hose back onto the filter housing and get your clamp back on as well. Lastly, don't forget to snap down these two little clips. Now, if you're like me, you got a K&N, don't forget to put on your sticker onto the airbox. So if you take it to a mechanic, they won't change your filter, they'll just clean it for you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Hope this video helped.